Are you having trouble printing with your Epson EcoTank ET-2720 printer? Well, this usually happens due to a clogged printhead or wrong print settings. To quickly fix this issue, I will walk you through simple steps to clean the printhead and reset the printer. Also, if you need further assistance, then give us a call on these numbers and get quick expert guidance. So let's get started with the solutions now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Perform the printer's power cleaning. First, go to your printer's control panel, press the power button, then OK to turn off your printer. Alright, once your printer is completely off, press and hold the power and question mark button together. Keep holding them until you see the LCD screen light up. Your printer will now ask you if you want to start power cleaning. Just press OK button to move forward. After that, the power cleaning process will begin. The process can take up to 10 minutes, so just let the printer do its thing. Once the cleaning is done, you'll see a message on the screen saying that your print quality will improve after 12 hours. Finally, just press OK one last time to finish up and you're all set. If this method does not resolve your Epson printing issue, then move to the next step. Also, if you're facing any other issues, let us know in the comments. Method 2. Factory reset your Epson printer. On the control panel, press the right arrow button to navigate to Settings option and then press the OK button. In Settings, scroll to the right until you see Restore Default Settings option. Now, press the right arrow to choose the Clear All Data and Settings option. Press the OK button and the factory reset of your printer will be complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.